our very first yoga therapy session together, I really want to get to know you. I want to hear about your health history as well as your present physical, emotional, and mental needs, concerns, and goals. From this information, I create a personalized practice that is tailored to suit you, your specific needs, your amount of time, your capacities, as well as your goals. When you come to visit me for your second session, you will be provided with your very own personalized practice containing easy to follow breath work and movement illustrations. Then in your third visit, which will be a follow-up session, it's an opportunity for us to adjust or modify your personal practice according to your pace and your progression. And at this time, you're really encouraged to share any questions or concerns because your feedback is so important as guidance for our practice.